Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you what to do if your automatic screen rotation isn't working properly on this phone. So first of all, try tilting your phone into different directions and see if this changes anything on your device, but in case it's not, that most probably means that your auto screen rotation isn't enabled, and to enable it you have to go to settings, then in settings select additional settings, go right here. Let me decrease the brightness slightly so you can see it better. Here you have to go to accessibility settings, then go to physical and enable auto rotate screen. And now try tilting your phone again into different directions, and in case your automatic screen rotation still isn't working, then restart your phone by holding down the power button and the volume up key at the same time, select reboot and wait until your phone is restarted. And once your phone is restarted, try tilting your phone into different directions once again. And if it doesn't work for you on the main page, you can open any application on your phone, for example your web browser, so let it be your web browser. Then in the web browser try tilting your phone to the other side, and this should change your display orientation. So that's basically the way to fix your problem. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.